Today our one topic stands how to develop project as a for college level. Any project you can ask na in your college level if you are under graduation under engineering, you are last semester last year, then may expect college one mini project, so you can develop. So I developed one project here. That project name is exam portals. How it's work exam portals na? How will we work exam portals? First you need to register, no friends? Yeah, register. Then questions are there. Then you select some questions. Then you go to output. What will be answer you selected? I developed one project. Project name is exam online exam portals. Okay, friends. Yeah. Here I used friends several things. I used in this project several things I used friends. First, I used Python. Okay, Django and HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Only three things I use. Only these things here. This is a library. This is a Python and Django. You know, programming language. This is front end. Means HTML, CSS. Whatever your user will see. What you want to show to users. So yeah, I use this. Yeah. Then I develop project. Yeah, friends. Project name is online portal. Now you will see how it will be work. I will show two source code and everything how it's working. Yeah. Yeah, friends, maybe you remember already. Last video, I think I told to you, and you see, guys, how to develop and sorry, how to install Django in our system. Yeah, guys, we'll observe. Now I am showing just practical purpose. In May you heard, you remember it, so how to develop, how to work on project, how to real time project things. Yeah, and not shopping cart. We will show to you later how to develop shopping cart. Only I have one project. Yeah, recently I also developed using Python and Django. So I am showing to you guys. This is our Google's now. Okay, first you need to run project. Okay, go to command prompt. In C drive, sorry, in D drive, one folder is there, man. CD Django project. This is one folder. Inside folder is there one. The you see na guys here. You see guys. One here na. Online test. This is an online test. Yeah. Online test is there, no friends. Online test. This is our project name. Okay. Okay, friends. No. Now we'll execute. Move there. CD online test. Okay. How to run project? You already know. Python -py run server. Okay. Ah, execute there. Copy this and paste in Chrome. Here, once you paste in friends here. See here. Yeah, this came now. This is project name. Yeah, online portals, exam portals. Welcome to exam portals again. Okay. Um, first you complete registration process. Okay. What is saying here, friends? First, welcome to exam portals. Yeah, it's saying na. After that, what saying? I mentioned this. I mentioned first you complete registration process. Okay. Use your name. What is your friends? User name and user enter email ID and you choose enter your male or female anything. This record will be saved in database. I will also show where saving in database. If you click there, then If you click on register, then it's going to save in your database. Yeah, and here once saying no, once I wrote one thing. Why registration? Yeah, there's one good thing. If your all answer will be correct, then I will send gift on your given mail ID. Okay, friends. So let's do once I start registration process. Yeah, friends. You know, yeah, once I start registration process, enter name. Suppose B2T. No, not use here B2T. Use anything, no? Use Rahul. Name any name such. Use email ID. Maybe that's the email ID name. Rahul Rahul 2021 @gmail.com. Okay, friends. Choose is mail, na? Yeah, Rahul is mail. Yeah. Choose here, select here. Enter this. Register. Once you click the register, then your exam portal will be open. Where few questions are there. Yeah. Enter. Yeah. Here you see, guys. Hello, dears. You see, na Rahul. Maybe Rahul name maybe did mistake, na? That's why Rahul full name is not coming here. Yeah, no issue. Welcome to exam portals. All exams, all questions are importance. Each questions are 1 marks. Each questions are 1 marks. Yeah. Who is father of Python? One questions. There is 3 questions are there. Na? No, don't think. You don't ask where this question is coming. This question is coming from database. Already I insert record in inside database. Already I insert all these things. This is available in database. Yeah. Came here. Yeah. You know, guys, who is father of Python? You know anything? If no, already you know maybe who is father of Python. Father of Python is Gado Van Rossum. Yeah. So this is not no one is there. So click none of this. Yeah. How many keywords in Python? Recently 36 keywords in Python, friends. Yeah. Django follow which patterns? Which patterns Django follow? Django follow MBT patterns, model view templates. Yeah. If you submit, then it's showing how many percentage you get. Every questions are important. Yeah. If you show there, you click submit. Yeah, submit. This is came on result phase. Yeah, friends. You can see result in below. Okay. You got 100% marks. Why you got 100% marks? Because all answers are correct. Yeah. We attend test again. Yeah, attend test again. If you see here, attend test again. Suppose this time I am selecting wrong answer. Supposing both one Danish research and second one 45. And third one I am selecting fine. Yeah, this is good. Here one answer correct and remaining two are incorrect. Yeah. Then what will be show? What will show? Percentage? Only one is correct. See, 33% you got. Yeah, friends. No, maybe now you ask, friends. So if we add one more another result another question, then how can you add? Simple one to is it there? No, I am explaining here, friends. Simple. Go to admin panel. Yeah, there no something. Test model name is this is the models. This is admin fields. Yeah, 3 questions are there. You enter 4 questions. You enter one more question, friends. Here you enter Python supports object oriented programming or your object-oriented programming or not? Yeah, is there or no? Let's see. Python support OOPS or not? Support so OOPS or not? Means answer yes, no. Third answer uh, maybe, yeah. Fourth option, none of these. Yeah. And what will be the right answer of these questions? Yes, Python support, no? Then you wrote yes. Okay. Means once you save this, yeah, once record will be added. One more questions I added this here in this panel. Then you go to simples, remove these commands here, go home page. Again you register. You registered, you took one name, sir. Took Mantu. Mantu is my best friend, and that's why I took Mantu, yeah. This guy's email ID, I am not remembering. Spent and Mantu @gmail.com. His mail, yeah. Gender's mail, yeah. Select. Came here. Same things here. Same things here. You remember, hello dears, Mantu. One thing is there, no? This is capturing name. Whatever you entering name, whatever you enter name, this is showing here. Hello Mantu. Welcome to exam portals. All exams are, all questions are important. Something no hai. Now you select here. If only one answer will be correct. Suppose yes, this is correct. Then how? What will be output? 50%. Yeah. Two answers will be correct. No, maybe I choose two answer. First, fix this. None of these. There, this. Or their MBT. Yeah. In there, yes. I choose there. What will you answer? 100%. Yeah, friends. This is our online portals. No. Now I am going to show to code how I developed all these things. Uh, Now, so if you want, then I will provide to you all these things on your mail ID also. If you message me on mail ID, if you really it's needed, then I will send to you. So you can execute this command and you can show whatever you want to any person. If you want to go in interview, then he will ask you develop anything, so then you can show. Yeah, friends. Just wait. I am opening. I am using Atom. Atom is one idealic, no? So there I wrote code, logic, say everything. So if you really require, then you can message me. I will send to this source code. Then you can show any purchase here. Inside view, we wrote Python logic. Yeah. This logic is calculating your percentage. You know, no? Formula of percentage. This logic is calculating percentage. That's why this is on result page, na? Result view, yeah. Follow by def, this is function, yeah. In model, inside model, this is a database connectivity. Yeah, so I am showing to database. Last time this is database, MySQL. I am using MySQL. That 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Use own DB. This is my database name. Yeah. So tables. Inside showing table, there are a lot of tables there. This table is having online registration model. This is whatever you register in this table, you will storing in your data. Select a start from. Yeah. See on last record is there, na? Month 2 mail. Yeah, friends, it is there, na? This is in this database your record will be stored. I am using simple model concept. One bit which came here, na? This form, this is all these things coming in database. This is also coming to database. All these things are coming database. Yeah, friends. One beauty is there. Once time you click only one button. Yeah, friends. All these things are there. Yeah. There no. This is our exam portal. So we develop. So you can, friends, practice. You can see how to develop, how it's things. All these things coming. I use model based form also here. Yeah, friends. You'll see now how to develop online exam portals. Use in project Python, Django, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. I used here. Yeah, friends. If you really good, then please like and subscribe these channels for future purpose. I came every day. I created video, make evidence. Came here now and watching video. And I will show you lot of projects. Not only this is first project. First time I am showing to you guys, and also lot of project is there. Next project. Next will come shopping cart. Shopping carts. Yeah, shopping cart project will come next. We'll develop project and I show too. Oh yeah. 1 hour, 2 hours required now. So that's why I didn't develop here. In one day project will, yeah, you can develop in one day no issue. But mindset will be there now. 1 hours. 1 hours no. You can't develop in one hour. Yeah. Yeah, friends, go and like and subscribe these channels, friends. We'll see in next video. We develop here online project. Like and subscribe, friends. Please like and subscribe this channel. Channel name, friends. You have here or not? Channel name is B2T. Do you know about BDT, friends? B2T, friends, means basic to problem. You can learn everything sir. From basic to top. Yeah, easily you can move anything. Yeah. No issue. I will game on. I will teach to you guys, friends. I will upload video HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. Yeah. Yes, I am planning. I'm not having that much time. So whenever I make time, then I will write to and I will upload video. You can go and watch. One thing, friends, you can follow me on. You can follow my Facebook page also, friends. Facebook page. Facebook page. Their Facebook page link maybe Facebook inside. You wrote basic to top. This will be my Facebook page URL, friends. Maybe. Yeah. No issue. Yeah, friends. We'll see today online exam portals how it's working, friends. Yeah. In next session, we will see next video. Yeah. Okay, friends. Bye.